Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about difference between the past indefinite and the present perfect tense. Most of the students find it difficult how to use the past indefinite and the present perfect tense in the sentences. So let's begin. And one thing more, if you like this lecture, don't forget to share and subscribe. So come to the point, the simple past versus the present perfect. So have a look at these two sentences. The first sentence is, I hurt my knee yesterday, and the next sentence is, I have hurt my knee recently. So the first sentence is in past indefinite or in the simple past, and the next sentence is in present perfect. So the simple past indicates that the action completed in the past at a definite point of time and means not connected to the present. So if you say, I hurt my knee yesterday, it implies that I hurt my knee yesterday, but now it's alright. Now it's not soaring. Now it's okay. I have hurt my knee recently. It simply means it is still, the action is still connected to the present. That is the specific characteristic of the present perfect tense. Action completed in the past, finished in the past, or it has just finished but is still connected to the present. And the one thing here, that is present perfect always implies a strong connection with the present. So I have hurt my knee recently, it means the hurt, I have hurt my knee recently, so my knee is still painful, it is still so. So now look some other differences. The simple past versus the present perfect. The simple past means finished and complete action at a definite point of time, and the present perfect means present perfect always connects past plus present. So present perfect tense is a mixture of past plus present, and it has a strong connection with the present. So have a look at some more examples and it will make very much clear to you. I have visited my sister yesterday. That's a wrong sentence, because yesterday is the definite point of time. So it means with the present perfect we cannot mention past time. Past time mention नहीं कर सकते हैं present perfect के साथ. So we cannot say I have visited my sister yesterday. We have to say I visited my sister yesterday. That is the right sentence. Past indefinite. यहाँ past, यहाँ present perfect नहीं लगा सकते, यहाँ past indefinite लगेगा. And one thing more that you must keep in your mind, whenever you find yesterday, last night, last year, ago, note down all these words. If you find these words in the sentence will be in past indefinite. तो वो past indefinite ही होगा. When have you seen him? It means time is not mentioned, but definite time is given here. It is being asked, पूछा जा रहा है कब देखा था. So we cannot say when have you seen him. That's wrong. The right sentence will be when did you see him, because action completed at a definite point of time. So before going for some more differences between the past indefinite and the present perfect, first have a look at the verb structure of both the tenses. First we take the simple past and later on we will take the present perfect. So the simple past, as you all know, in regular verbs is formed by adding ed to the infinitive. Infinitive means first form of the verb. So past form of verb is used. In simple words we can easily understand, as far as the matter of the past indefinite is concerned, we always use second form of the verb, past form of the verb. Infinitive may be here to work or to finish. The simple past will be worked, finished. It means by using ed we can easily make or we easily change the verb into past form. But there are certain irregular verbs as well. So you have to learn all these irregular verbs. Eat, go, sing, drink, bring. Eat, second form is ate. To go, that is went. So irregular verbs you have to learn. वो आपको याद करना पड़ेगा. The same form is used for all persons. So that's a good thing here. Simple past, past indefinite tense is very easy and frequently used with your writing skills. And the same verb structure, it means second form of the verb, past form of the verb is used with all the persons. It means whether it may be first person, second person और third person, सभी के साथ verb की वही form रहती है. and if we are going to change the sentence into negative, we have to use did not plus first form of verb. Whenever we use did, past form of the verb is changed into first form of the verb. Have a look at some other sentences. So past indefinite tense, as I have already made it clear to you, verb structure remains same with all the persons, first, second and third person. First person I or we, second person you, third person he, she, it or they. So whether it is first person, second person or third person, the verb structure remains the same. There is no change at all. And past indefinite is used for action completed in the past at a definite time. So you have to remember, ये ध्यान रखना है, definite time पे खत्म हो चुका है, time is certain. That's why in present perfect we do not use past time. Present perfect के साथ हम past time use नहीं करते हैं. So with this structure you can easily understand. Suppose action started from at this point. यहाँ से action शुरू हुआ, action finished here. Action यहाँ खत्म हो गया, and this is the time of speaking, and here we are talking about that action. It means action started in the past, action finished in the past, and it is not connected to the present. Action पूरा हो चुका है, action खत्म हो चुका है, that is past indefinite, and we use second form of the verb. So as I have already made it clear to you in my previous lectures that the best way of learning tenses is write all the sentence structure at one place: affirmative, negative, interrogative and interrogative negative. So I have taken the same sentence. I met him yesterday. Negative, I did not meet him yesterday. I met him yesterday, second form of the verb is used, and did not, along with did not we use first form of the verb. So I did not meet him yesterday. If we are going to change it into interrogative, helping verb को पहले ले लिया, did you meet him yesterday. Interrogative negative, did you not meet him yesterday, didn't you meet him yesterday. Did and not, if they are used in contracted form तो एक साथ लिखा जाता है, ऐसे नहीं लिख सकते हम did not you meet him yesterday, didn't you meet him yesterday. Same sentence, here the subject is plural, यहाँ subject था I, यहाँ पर subject है they. And one thing more here, यहाँ पर हमने negative किया था I did not meet him yesterday, but interrogative did you meet him yesterday. It means if we are going to make it question, how can we ask question to myself, हम खुद से ही question थोड़ी पूछेंगे, question तो दूसरे से पूछा जाएगा, इसीलिए यहाँ second person में इसको change किया, did you meet him yesterday. So come to the point here, they, plural subject is used here, they met him yesterday, and there is no difference in the verb, or verb is the same. I met him, they met him yesterday, they did not meet him yesterday, did they meet him yesterday, did they not meet him yesterday, didn't they meet him yesterday. So this is the way of learning tenses. Tense सीखने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका यही है, write all the sentence structures at one place. So move ahead. More about past indefinite tense, it is very necessary that you have to learn for a past action when time is given. If time is given, we always use past indefinite tense. Indira Gandhi died in 1984. If we have mentioned the time here 1984, we cannot use present perfect, फिर present perfect use नहीं होगा. अगर आप इसमें has have use करेंगे, the sentence will be grammatically incorrect. When the time is asked about, it is also used when action took place at a definite time, even though time is not mentioned. It may be, ऐसा हो सकता है कि time mention ना हो, लेकिन clear होगा कि time is implied there, कि time वहाँ imply किया है. When did you see him? Time is certain. कब देखा था उसे? The flight was 10 minutes late. It means the time of flight is certain. When did you get your present job? It means definite point of time. So we cannot use here present perfect. यहाँ हम present perfect use नहीं कर सकते. Past indefinite is also used for past habits. Past habits के लिए भी present past indefinite use होता है. He always carried an umbrella with him. हमेशा ले जाता था. He never drank tea. And another one used for discontinued past habits. Past indefinite is used for discontinued past habit. We use used to. He used to play cricket in his childhood. Now he is not playing. It means discontinued past habit. Discontinued past habits के लिए भी past indefinite का use होता है. The present perfect. Now we come to the verb structure of present perfect. So we have completed the verb structure of past indefinite. Now we are talking about the present perfect, and later on we will compare past indefinite versus the present perfect. So the present perfect tense is formed. We form it by using present tense of have plus the past participle. So in simple words we can say has, have plus third form of verb. If subject is singular, we use has. If subject is plural, we use have, and it is followed by third form of verb. Singular subject है has third, plural subject है have third use होता है. Actually that I have already made it clear to you that present perfect tense is a mixture of present and past. And remember this line. Actually this has been underlined. It always implies a strong connection with the present. The action started in the past. This is the tagline that you have to remember about present perfect. The action started in the past, finished in the past, or has just finished but is still connected to the present. The action that have been finished in the past, the action that has been finished in the past but connected to the present, लेकिन present के साथ जुड़ा हुआ है. The present perfect is used for actions whose time is not definite. जब time definite नहीं है, clear नहीं है, तब हम present perfect use कर सकते हैं. I have read the documents. So no definite time is given here, and if the same sentence, if we are changing it into with definite point of time, I read the instructions last night. I read the documents last night. So that I have already made it clear to you that if yesterday, last night, last year, ago, if these words, if you find these words in the sentence will be in past indefinite. Actually the time is given here, last night is given here, that's why simple past is used. So and this example will make everything clear to you. Have you taken breakfast? No, I haven't taken it yet. And if you want to say yes, I took it at 7 o'clock, it means the time is mentioned here. At 7 o'clock, I took the breakfast at 7 o'clock. Simple past is used. Simple past is used because definite time is given. Yes, I had it with my friends. So here also time is implied because friends के साथ breakfast किया है तो definite कोई time तो निश्चित है ही. So I had it, had means I took it. I took it with my friends. So some more verb structures or the same one that as we have done with the past indefinite. Present perfect की भी हम सारी sentence structure यहाँ एक बार देख लेते हैं. So ये चीज़ें और आसान हो जाएंगी आपके लिए. Affirmative, he has written a letter to his friend. He has not written a letter to his friend. Has he written a letter to his friend? Has he not written a letter to his friend? Hasn't he written a letter to his friend? Affirmative, negative, interrogative and interrogative negative at one place. Same if we take the example with plural subject. They have won the match. They have not won the match. Have they won the match? Have they not won the match? Haven't they won the match? So all the sentence structures are at one place. Now we come to the point, the topic. The topic is the simple past versus the present perfect. And here if you watch this lecture carefully, you will have no confusion at all. And the difference between the simple past and the present perfect will be very much clear to you. So look here, the simple past. Simple past is finished and complete action, that you already know it. Point in time, definite time, it means the action completed or finished at a certain point of time. So I visited my sister yesterday, that's the right sentence. When did you see him? That's the right sentence because a definite time is given. And here you will find out the present perfect connects past plus present. It means the action completed in the past, finished in the past, or it has just finished but is still connected to the present, लेकिन अभी भी present के साथ जुड़ा हुआ है. So we cannot say I have visited my sister yesterday. That will be a wrong sentence. That will be grammatically incorrect because yesterday is used here. Yesterday, that is the definite point of time. When have you seen him? We can't say. नहीं कह सकते. Look at this example once again. Have you seen my specs? No, I haven't, because no definite point of time is given. If definite point of time is given, yes, I saw them on your table a few hours ago. When definite point of time is not given, we can say, no, I haven't. Yes, I saw them on your table a few hours ago. So definite point of time is given, the sentence will be in simple past. So simple past versus the present perfect. Continued here. Present perfect is used for past actions, but connection with the present is still maintained. That is very much necessary. Ruskin Bond has written a number of short stories. This simply implies that he is still alive and can write more. We cannot say Ruskin Bond wrote a number of stories. It means now he is not writing. अब नहीं लिख रहा है, लेकिन रस्किन बॉन्ड तो अभी भी लिख रहे हैं. That's why has written. I have seen tigers in Sariska forest. It means it's still possible to see. अभी भी है सरिस्का में फॉरेस्ट, सरिस्का में टाइगर्स अभी भी हैं सरिस्का फॉरेस्ट में. I saw tigers in Sariska forest. It means now I don't have any idea, or even it may be possible, not possible to see them now. Now look at this example. This example is really very much interesting. He has lived in New Delhi for 2 years. It means he is still there. He is still living in New Delhi. He has been living in New Delhi. He lived in New Delhi for 2 years. It means now he has no connection at all to New Delhi. न्यू दिल्ली में रहा था कुछ दिनों के लिए, लेकिन अब न्यू दिल्ली के साथ उसका कोई कनेक्शन नहीं. Yes, so here we have some more examples between the simple past and the present perfect. We have waited for him all day, and we waited him all day. We have waited for him all day. It simply means we are still waiting, and we waited him all day, but he didn't come. It means the wait is over. अब उसका wait नहीं कर रहे हैं. पूरे दिन उसका wait किया था, लेकिन अब नहीं कर रहे हैं. But if you say have waited, it means still waiting for you. Next sentence, he has lived here all his life. It means still lives here. But if you say he lived here all his life, it means now dead. Now he is not living at this place, or he is dead. Sachin has played cricket for India for many years. It means he is still connected to game. अभी भी game से जुड़ा हुआ है. Vinu Mankad played cricket for India for many years. It simply implies that he is not connected to game, or he is dead by now. He has smoked since he left school. It means he still smokes. He smoked for 6 months. Past indefinite. जब past indefinite use किया जाएगा, it means action completed in the past. जब present perfect use किया जाएगा, it means action may be completed in the past or it has just finished, लेकिन अभी भी present के साथ जुड़ा हुआ है. So when you say he has smoked since he left school, it means he still smokes. But if you say he smoked for 6 months, it means then stopped smoking. Now he doesn't smoke. So this is the end of this lecture. I hope you like it, and the difference between the simple past and the present perfect would have been clear to you. If you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.